Game won't open due to the D3D Compiler 49 DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer, and I'll help you bypass this roadblock instantly using my diagnostic data. Before the technical guide for D3D Compiler 49, I've linked a maintenance resource to help stabilize your background processes. This is the D3D Compiler 49, the Direct3D HLSL Compiler, V49. It manages the unmanaged orchestration of shader binary generation, facilitating the high-performance rendering manifest for modern gaming data links. Now that you know how the file works, let's focus on the how and fix the issue. D3D Compiler of 49 is often associated with game graphics and audio processing. Reinstall the Microsoft DirectX End-User Runtime to restore legacy DirectX files and update your GPU drivers for OpenCL, OpenGL, or CUDA support. If the installer was unable to bridge the gap, we will move to phase 2 of our diagnostic to refresh the system's memory. A system reboot is a reliable way to clear away zombie processes that might be interfering with D3D Compiler 49. It's a low-impact step that ensures your operating system is starting with a synchronized environment. Before you restart, please bookmark this video or click the like button so that it's waiting for you in your library for the next step. If that didn't clear the error, follow these instructions to modify your system paths. If you need to pause the video to type these out, please do so. To fix persistent graphics initialization errors, you should download the DirectX End-User Runtime to restore the missing software bridges. This package contains the full set of legacy libraries required for multimedia applications, and it will automatically replace your DLL file if it is missing from your system directory. Why are we doing this? Well, the standard DirectX version included with Windows 10 and 11 is built for modern games and often lacks the backward compatibility needed for the specific file causing your error. To ensure long-term stability, we should review the safety risks associated with unverified file sources. Please use caution. Replacing D3D Compiler 49 DLL manually often requires administrative permissions that, if mishandled, can leave your PC open to external attacks. For those who prefer a structured maintenance plan, you can access an official diagnostic resource at the link below. For general system upkeep, the maintenance-related tool linked below includes information relevant to D3D Compiler 49. To keep your workstation running with a reliable configuration and ensure D3D Compiler 49 remains stable, subscribe to our channel and like this video.